Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Studio Gallery with a 10-inch by 20-inch canvas and some black paint that I would like to spread in a somewhat more organic looking random pattern and then fill in the bottom with white, hopefully. I'm not sure how this is going to work because it doesn't seem nice. It sat for a minute while I went and retrieved my memory card. I'm going to have to switch my spatula out for a clean one, I think. I did my edges already. If I pre-painted the canvas white, I could have just done this and stopped, but that's not the way that's going to work. I kind of want a somewhat heavy layer, but not heavy enough to tip and have it move. For that, I'm going to get rid of that. I don't know how this is going to work out. But I do know my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula works really well when it comes to picking up paint and squishing it into an edge. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to worry too much about anything that comes along that seems like it's an impedance, like that little smear. Just a little pressure. I kind of want to put some black right down that area. I don't know why I'm so OCD about that. Well, I'm not OCD about it anymore, evidently. Okay, well that just makes me want to swipe in the other direction. So never mind, now I'm playing. And I'm going to get rid of this before I get myself in more trouble. Wipe off my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, available on the Amazon link. I've got some damp paper towels and some Amsterdam black, white, and some dioxazine purple. And I'm going to use copper from Decor, same as Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I'm going to add to that. And some cobalt blue, which is a metallic turquoise. Kind of want to tip. I'm feeling like I want another color also. And I don't have enough orange in there, so I think I'm going to do something really off the wall and use my pink diamond. Odd color combination, but that's okay. This time, I've threatened to tip things before, but I always leave some shapes behind, so I think it'd be kind of cool to manipulate this until I'm... Well, that's the same Decor Americana 24 karat gold with some orange in it. Not a lot. The difference is negligible. So what do I want more of? Anything? Yeah, I'm going to use the Venetian blue. And if I don't have enough, I'll put some more in. I kind of want some of this, a little bit of this Anita's White Metallic that has some pink in it, just to add some volume to the paint. And another light color, which will sort of act as negative space. Alright, let's just do it. And I've got more water and more paper towels cut if I need to. I've got some curves on this. I'm going to use cell activator. I might use quite a bit of it actually. I got to try this sometime. I wanted to do this with the curves a while ago. Hopefully my head isn't completely in the way like it was recently, but it might be. And I'm going to use that same paper towel right on the other side. And put it aside for a moment. I may use that again because there's plenty of black on there. I think I need my other dish because I don't want to interrupt the black that's going on right now. I really want a smaller paper towel. I usually squish this right into the paint. Come on. Like so. This time I'm not as concerned about pulling straight up, so I'm just going to have my way with strange shapes. And I've got a tail on this. Oh, and a dog hair. So I'm going to use it. Because I can. I'm kind of missing the orange in there. I think maybe more copper is called for. Use my tail again. Use some more black on my double paper towel with white on it. Go back again. I have some residual. I'm going to use it right there. I'm not sure I'm completely enamored of this yet, but things change. I really want to experiment and try the wet paper towel without any cell activator. I say that. Let's just go for some of the purple. It's a Hobby Lobby brand. Get rid of that bubble. I need some negative space. Oh, I thought it was going to go right down over the side, but that's not the case. I like experimenting with different applications. I'm not really thrilled with this at all up here, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I like this down here. That just needs some negative space in it. Well, sometimes when I feel like I'm getting in trouble, that's the time when I want to just give myself permission to do whatever it takes. Except for knocking bottles over. That's not helpful. I am sad that that is not making me happier. There's a lot of beautiful cells in there. I want to go sideways. That may or may not be a good idea. I want some really serious purple. And that is Amsterdam white with Aussie's Floetrol. Sometimes the things that are making me the least happy turn out to be the most cool. So I always live in hope that something marvelous will change the fate. And you know what I haven't done? That's better. What I haven't done is put any toothy tools in anything. That's much better. Getting better by the moment. Matter of fact, I like it now. I'm going to use my paint-soaked wet paper towel as a folded up paintbrush. Not sure where that white came from. I like the little half circles. Those are very cool, actually. And I can use my leftover paint on the edge of the canvas because it's mostly gray stripes down there anyway. I gotta try it. Canvases come primed, so that's my excuse for doing as I wish. Kind of want some more black right here. Yep, definitely. Pull that gold right over. And I want that bottle to be open and functional. And just put a line in there and grab a skewer. There was somebody making a comment, I'm sorry I don't remember your name, about adding bottle marks directly as being a really good thing. And I see that that is the case in my opinion also. And you can sort of meld them a little bit. Let me grab a clean-ish skewer, or at least a dry skewer. This was my warm-up painting today. I like a lot of things about this, and I'm surprised I changed my mind so quickly. I like the texture of the layers. It looks like it's dimensional. The dull end of the skewer is always safer than the sharp end. And if my marks fill in, that's okay, and if they don't fill in, that's okay too. I do like this. I think I've done. Yes, I know, I heard you. You can't trust, we can't trust you. Oops. Okay, well, I guess that's there to stay. Although, I usually have tricks. Maybe we'll just let it become part of the skewered in place. Yeah, that doesn't notice anymore. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Ask you guys, please, can I have a thumbs up? And it's a revelation that I like this. It's pretty cool, actually. Loving those big cells. Loving seeing those bubbles pop. I will have a few areas I want to fix up on my edges though. And I've got my leftover wet paper towels if I want to make adjustments to my edges with those. I want this to go. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I run a monthly drawing and you can win paintings. And you can see the prizes that are available. It's a drawing that happens at the beginning of the month on the first day. And you can see the prizes on the end screen video, which is invariably an exhibition video. Yes, I did. I just shut that down. I like that little tiny space in there. I want to steal some copper. Put it right in there. I'm hoping I'm not completely obliterating your view. For some reason, I really like that pink diamond from Color Art, that Prism Pour with turquoise and other colors. This is a really different composition, and that makes it good. For me, at least. I want to keep playing, though. Okay, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check on some of my 2200 videos or ask me for a link. I have playlists. Go to my YouTube channel and playlists, all playlists, created playlists, and you will find them by topic and genre, and the 100 I have them separated into. Makes it a lot easier to find what I'm looking for. I'm really distracted. My email address is below the link tree. The link tree is a great place to shop. Society 6, Pinterest, will show you what I've put on my Fine Art America and Pixels.com, and sometimes Society 6. I'm all over the map here. I just want to fix my edges. Anyway, so I love you guys. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. That is way far away from you. That's really pretty from up here. Let's see if I can zoom in a little. That was way too far. I have camera mount issues. Alright, that's going to fall right down. I can't do anything about that. Oh, darn. Okay, well, thank you guys for all the donations and the wonderful comments. My PayPal icon on my bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner will get you every donation will get you an invitation to get into the monthly drawing. If you'd like to be in, let me know. I gotta fix my camera. I'm just holding it in place now. What am I missing? Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. I mentioned spring clothing is below the video. All over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Questions are fine. Please ask me. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I gotta go. I'll see you guys on. Bye for now. Come back. I post every day at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right now. I don't guarantee it's forever, but right now. All right. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.